What is augmented reality? Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that takes the world around you, for example, the video from a camera or a head-mounted display, and adds virtual content on top, such that it looks like it's actually there in the real world. So you will be able to see the real world, but with virtual contents such as videos, images, and 3D animations superimposed on the view of the real world. Who are Zapper? Zapper is a British company based in Cambridge, which designs software to enable creation of AR experiences easily. Zapper was founded in 2011, and they released the Zapper AR app the same year. In 2013, they released the Zapcodes, and in 2014, Zapworks went online. Who have used Zapper tools so far? Hazelist, Little Big Planet, Angry Bird, One Direction, Rogue Magazine, Warner Brothers, Hasbro, Universal NBC, Rovio, Coca-Cola, PlayStation, Disney. What tools does Zapper provide? The Zapper AR app is for the AR consumers to access the contents on their devices. As for the AR designers, you can use Zapworks widgets and Zapworks Designer, which are online tools accessible through a personal account also. Zapworks Studio is the most versatile of the Zapworks tool. It needs to be installed on your machine, and it is free to preview your works on this software.